Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Crypto Wealth Management channel. Just a quick introduction to myself. I am a qualified financial advisor in real life and I've been investing in crypto for over 5 years. I've seen highs and lows, especially at the start. I was making very many rookie mistakes, shall we say. I was, getting rugged, investing in memes, not taking profit, etc, etc. But in the last 2 years, I've really been able to hone in on my skills and I've seen a lot of success in the market. I created this channel at the start of 2024 to be able to preach my knowledge and experience and help as many people as I can and see, whether my channel can grow or anything like that. So if that interests you, then please feel free to subscribe. And today we're going to be talking about a coin which I believe can pull an over 100x, considering how early we are, the partnerships it has, and if it delivers on what I believe to be a very special project. So let's get straight into it. So the game that we are going to be discussing today is called BADMAD Robots, and the ticker is METAL, M-E-T-A-L. It says right here, it is an upcoming first-person shooter game, player versus player game with RPG mechanics on the Polygon network. Now, there's not much known about this game because it's still early stages. But I can tell you, I was in the Discord earlier speaking with the community and speaking to the developers, and they said that the best way to describe it is that it is a cross between Overwatch and Call of Duty, obviously with a more artistic spin on it. I'm going to try and keep this video as quick as possible because I just want to get this information out there, put on YouTube ASAP. Normally I have like a script or like some kind of notes, but today's more of a freestyle. So as you can see, we go down, it says collect your drunk robot characters. This could be via NFTs, and I'm assuming these are playable characters in the game. And yeah, the first straight off the bat, I mean, look at these partners. Look at these partnerships. We've got Animoca Brands, which, if you haven't heard of them, are absolutely huge in gaming in East Asia. We've got Merit Circle, otherwise known as Beam, which again, right now in crypto are being spoken about on massive scale. They've got a $1 billion market cap at the moment, and they're going to be a huge project this upcoming bull cycle. They're partnered with Gate, Binance as well, Polygon, Good Games Guild, which I've mentioned in a previous video, GGG. So, we're seeing some massive partnerships right off the bat here. And they also have a partnership with Immutable X, which isn't listed on their website yet, but it has been tweeted about. So I will mention that when we go through their Twitter. We can see Metal token available now. It's available on Uniswap on the Polygon network and Gate. Unfortunately, I live in the UK and Gate is banned. So right now for me, the only option is Uniswap. But this is a good sign because the sooner and the earlier you are to projects before they start getting listed on exchanges, the more likely you are to make serious returns. So we can go on to the tokenomics at the top of their website. If we take a look at this, we can see what the metal token is used for. You can earn metal, you can purchase it, player versus player mode, victories, rewards, items and robots on the marketplace, farming process, how you earn metal. And then you spend metal on trading, farming, items and robots, junk. That's another micro transaction. Equipment level, rarity upgrade, player versus player mode, squad slots, etc. So you can see that there actually is a utility for this token, and I believe there was more on the homepage as well. Here's another way to use junk, scavenging, and PvP battles, raffles, container purchases, equipment upgrades. This is all stuff within the game. As we look on the tokenomics, we can see the in-game liquidity is about 70%. The team were allocated 13%, and then there was obviously the private. We've got marketing, we've got liquidity, we've got public allocation as well. And I want to point out on this project, if we go into their Medium article, we can see that their IDO was back in, I believe, April 2022. Again, here's the partners. Here's the tokenomics, and this is more detailed look at the tokenomics. If I can I zoom in? There we go. So a total supply of 2.75 billion, which is it's all right. It's all right for gaming. It's not too much, but it's not a few hundred million or anything like that. So it is quite scarce. I mean, not scarce. Sorry, it's quite common. Sorry, I need to get my words out again. Apologies. There's no script there. But you can see rewards for NFTs as well. Marketing. The team got 355 million, and I believe over here is where it's the vesting schedule, because right now there's only about, I think, either 200 or 400 million in supply. I've seen contradicting reports on CoinMarketCap and in the Discord, but there's a monthly emission of, I believe they said 50 million tokens maybe, which right now at their current price really isn't a lot, and we don't know whether the team have something in place in the future to maybe produce a burn mechanism of some sort. So that is the tokenomics there. And we can see on the IDO, the listing price was 1 cent. So if you got in early at that price, you would actually be down right now because it is listed below its IDO. If we quickly go on CoinMarketCap, we can see we can see that the current price is 0.006 cents, which is absolutely insane. But more on that later. I want to go onto their Twitter. Like I said, this is going to be, I'm trying to try and do this as quickly as possible, try and get my words out. We go on their Twitter, we can see they're relatively active. They haven't tweeted that much. I assume they've been working on the game. As you can see, yeah, we think you are ready gameplay video this week. So if that's going to come through, oof, that will have a massive impact on the price. We see a partnership here with Carve Official. If we go down here, what I'm looking for is, before I show the screenshots, here we go. BADMAD, I'm trying to say BADMAD instead. BADMAD Robots is joining Immutable, which is an insane partnership. Go up here, we go into the actual screenshot so we can see what the game looks like. And if you've done any gaming, I was a hardcore gamer back in the day. This looks very good. It looks very, very good. It's like a fun, I want to compare it maybe to Fortnite in terms of like the feel of the game. But as you can see, it does look a bit like Overwatch, a little bit like Call of Duty as well. It just looks like a fun game, which with the right marketing, it could take off easily, especially at $1 million market cap right now. Just want to quickly share some more information on their partner. So this is Animoca Brands. As you can see, they are a Deloitte TechFast winner, a Fortune Crypto 40 company, and one of the Financial Times' High Growth Companies Asia Pacific 2023. They are absolutely huge in gaming, absolutely huge. They've been around since 2014, I believe, when I was doing my research earlier. And in 2018, they decided to make a switch into blockchain gaming, focusing on NFTs, metaverse, Web3, etc. So yeah, it's a massive partnership. They're from Hong Kong, and yeah, a partnership with Animoca Games is just, you should really read into that. Because anyone they're partnership with, and if they're an investor as well, actively investing in a game, they must have a strong belief in it. The other one's obviously Beam, Merit Circle. Yeah, again, a $1 billion company right now in crypto, collaborating with Immutable, Polygon. You see, those are the two partnerships we've already seen with BADMAD or MadBad, BADMAD Robots, new era of gaming. You know, it's just, yeah, it's sorry if I'm sounding a bit excited, but these partnerships are, you know, they're really, really something to look into. Powered by Beam, yeah, incredible. So if we go over to the price today of BADMAD Robots, we can see that it's 0.006 cents, so almost half a cent. And we can see in the last day it has gone up 340%, which normally is a massive, massive red flag. You know, don't go chasing green candles. However, I will say that because the market cap right now is sitting at 1.24 million, we can kind of expect this sort of volatility. You know, it could do a 5x and it will still be at a $5 million market cap, which is still absolutely tiny. I will say, as it says here, the circulating supply, they've got 220 million. I did see someone in the Discord say that it's closer to 400 million. I'm not sure how accurate that is, but if, you know, let's just double the market cap then. If we around double the supply, double the market cap, is still about $2.5 million, which is nothing. You know, a 10x puts it at 25 million, a 100x puts it at $250 million, which in a full-fledged bull market, you know, with the partnerships it's got, being on Polygon, partnered with Immutable, with Beam, you know, it's that could be underestimating it a little bit. This is what I mean when I say that it could go over 100x. We can look at the all-time chart. We can see that the IDO price that it launched, well, the price that it launched at was 0.03, so 3 cents. And then obviously since then, just everyone almost forgotten about it. Maybe they weren't developing, etc. And then this recent pump as people start to find out about the project. I want to reiterate, however, this is extremely high risk. You know, it's not listed on many exchanges. It's sitting at a $1 or $2 million market cap. It's not really got a product right now. Like this is more like a, if you got $100, $200, $300, whatever your risk tolerance is, money you can afford to never see again, this might be the kind of project you put it into. One other thing which I forgot to mention is if you go onto Immutable X's actual website, you go onto their play section. This is a list of all their games that they're affiliated and partnered with, invested in, etc. They haven't listed BADMAD Robots here. It's in alphabetical order, so there's no BADMAD Robots here, which again shows how early we are, because as soon as it gets slapped onto here, you know, increased exposure, again, the price could 2, 3, 4x from there. Just seeing it here. So again, we're really early. I want to reiterate how early we really are on this. So just to conclude the video, we're going to quickly go over my coin scoring matrix on BADMAD Robots to see how it scores as just a quick conclusion. So innovative or excellent technology, I can't say that it is, because it just seems like a simple first person shooter kind of game. So we'll keep it in the middle at amber. Relevant narrative, 100% is gaming. It's going to be probably the biggest narrative of this upcoming bull run. Low market cap, well, I mean, $1 or $2 million. How low can you go? Yeah, so good tokenomics. It's in the middle. It's an amber. It's not a red. It's not a green. I'd say 2.75 billion is about an amber. Experienced or credible team. Now, I was gonna give this a red because it's very hard to find information on their team, and if it's hard to find information on their team, for me, it's just, it should be out there. However, if you do your digging, you will find that they actually have one of their developers was a ex-Nintendo developer, which, it holds a lot of weight, because if you've got someone that used to work at Nintendo now working on this game, it's massive. So rather than green, I'll keep it at the yellow, because maybe they do have a very experienced team that just haven't really released information on them yet. Key partnerships, again, green. Don't need to reiterate that anymore. Massive partnerships. Active community, I'll give a yellow. The Discord was very active, and I've seen on Twitter as well. They have been tweeting recently, but it's not, they have 50,000 followers. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I'll give that a green. It's not dead. It's not like a, ghost town out there. So I will give it a green. Shiny coin effect, yes, because it wasn't around in the previous bull cycle. This launched in April 22 in the bear market. So, people might look at this and be like, wow, this game wasn't around last time. Let's invest in this one. It's, it's new. Fair launch, I don't believe it was. We saw an IDO and we saw varying prices at the start, so people could be dumping in the it looked at the start that people did dump, so I can't say this was fair launch, so I'm going to put a red there. And promising roadmap, I'll give a yellow, because we can obviously see, they tweeted out as well this week they're going to expect a gameplay trailer. And the roadmap is, if you ask questions in the Discord, people will answer, but it's just not easy to see on their website, which, for a roadmap, I think is pretty important. But yeah, that's my very quick, very rushed video today on BADMAD Robots. Sorry, I was pressed for time. It's kind of what happens when you have a full-time job as well. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you really did, please subscribe, please like, please let me know. Again, I want to reiterate, this is a very high risk investment. I'm not saying whether I've invested or whether I haven't. It's just a project that really interested me and I wanted to put it out there. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day. See you later.